Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Global Business Update with TA. Now, MGM, the production house who is behind the famous franchise movie series James Bond, well, they are in talks with Amazon for a 9 billion takeover. Amazon is further stretching their hands into the entertainment business. Still in the news of entertainment business, a recent release of Radhe, the new blockbuster hit of Salman Khan, clearly showed that India is ready for pay-per-view model. That's right. The blockbuster hit actually attracted more than 4.2 million subscribers or viewers in the very first day as it was launched online by Zee Movies. Well, looks like it's gonna be one lucrative segment for those involved, especially the Bollywood entertainment. Let's see how that turns out. Meanwhile, negative interest rates is the talk around town, especially when you're looking around BOE. Bank of England has hinted the focus towards going for some negative interest rates, and especially some of the recent stimulus has not been able to bring the economy back to a growing mode, and in fact what it has done is brought it to the pre-pandemic levels, which might not just be enough. Now, there is also a lot of talk about lithium-ion batteries. That's right, lithium-ion batteries is seen to be the next big thing, but there might be a twist. Nippon Paper Industries from Japan has actually come up with a new technology, a battery made out of more like trees. That's correct. The nanofiber cellulose, which they are looking at actually integrating into making batteries, they are looking at making batteries which can first empower or rather provide the required power supply for small handheld devices, and in the long run even go towards powering up the electric cars. Interesting times indeed. Now, crypto had a double blow recently. Not only has the biggest crypto, which is Bitcoin, come down to the 40,000 range, it's getting to the 40,000 range, it's somewhere around 43 as we speak, but Chinese government has indicated a strong stance against cryptocurrency, and even Elon Musk, one of the biggest supporters of crypto, has actually spoken about selling off, or maybe the fact that they have already sold off some of the cryptocurrencies or the bitcoins that they were actually holding. If you're investing in that, I would say watch out. And on a final note, there is talk about new line of spending and investing by some of the luxury brands like Burberry and even Zara. That's right. Now, these companies are spending a lot of their money. The fact that they've been into e-commerce is nothing new, but video-based e-commerce selling. That's right. Some of the brands like Zara are actually spending a big chunk of their new investment money into making video games which people will be playing on Facebook, and as they play the game they collect the points and they are able to even use some of those points to buy the actual products. Looks like gaming is once again serious business, and this time in the world of fashion. Don't forget, Burberry, Zara, if they are getting into it, definitely that's the way forward and there's a big potential to be realized. That's it for this week. No matter what business you are in, stay busy and stay safe. Most importantly, keep booming.